In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the navigation font size in Squarespace. Beginner tutorial. First, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account on a desktop browser. Open your website's dashboard and head into the Pages panel. Pick any page you can safely edit, then click Edit to enter the visual editor. This puts you in a live preview where you can see changes as you make them. Move your cursor over the top of the page and choose Edit Site Header. That's where your navigation lives, so any font changes here will be easy to preview in real time. From the header editor, open your site's style settings. In the Styles panel, go to Fonts. You'll see a few paths here, but start by opening all font packs. This is a quick way to preview different font combinations used across your site. As you click through the heading samples in a pack, watch your menu text in the header. Many Squarespace layouts tie the navigation to your heading styles, so you'll often see the menu update as you test different looks. You can also click the paragraph sample just to understand how body text pairs with your headings, but our focus is the menu. After you've previewed a few options, back out to the font section and choose Headings. Here you can set the actual typeface and, importantly, adjust the size. Use the size control or scale slider to increase or decrease the heading size, and keep an eye on the navigation in the header preview. Aim for a size that's readable without wrapping to 2 lines. A small change goes a long way. Increase gradually until the menu feels balanced and easy to scan. If your design uses buttons in the header, hop into Buttons in the Fonts area and make sure their text size complements the navigation. This keeps your header elements consistent and avoids one element overpowering the others. Take a moment to click through a few heading levels, like H1 through H4, to ensure the overall scale works across your site. While those levels control page titles and section headings, keeping a sensible hierarchy helps your navigation feel visually in tune with the rest of your typography. When you're happy with the new menu size and the overall type pairing, click Save. That publishes your font choices and locks in the navigation size across your site. If you ever want to try a different feel, come back to Fonts, preview another pack, or fine-tune the heading size again. That's it. Your Squarespace navigation should now be